It's 2 out of 3.
When do we restart?
Layla's serving, so whoever.
Yes, restart. Reagan, Abigail, Vanessa. Vanessa.
He's so rude. The way he yells at these girls, right? I know, right? That's what I'm saying. That was in. Hey, and as we go, the 3 of you, your serves have been wonky, right? Go in there, focus on your form, all right? Your contact, you're making contact like this because you're flicking it back and then you're trying to come through. Keep that wrist solid. Back, elbow comes forward, up and over, right? Keep it solid, fingers wide, okay? Too much.
Snap of the wrist thing that he was doing before.
Hey, why'd you look at her? Why'd you look at her? Right? Okay. Stay on the ball. You had it. Then you let it go. Relax. Ball. That's it. That's all we're looking at. Ball. Call it. Right?
Gentle, gentle. Go, go!
Get out the way. They can still make the play. That was in. Hey, next play, all right? Why'd you quit on the play? She's still playing. I got the ball in the air. And you're not even looking. You're walking away. Play the whole play.
Eye on that ball.
Good effort. Hey, back up, back up, back up. You can't overlap yet. You have to wait until after contact. Good. Good job. Keep calling, keep calling. Hey, that was good. You just got outplayed. That's okay. That's a bullet we dodged. You toss it low. You gotta toss it up. I don't know what the hell's going on with the serves on everybody. It's not about hitting up. It's about your contact on the ball, okay? Nice. Hey, do you know what she looks like? You know what she looks like? Then you don't need to look at her when the ball's in the air, okay? Hey, back row, move up, right about here. Front row, be ready to move. All right, we went over that in practice, right? You're never gonna be able to find that ball, look at somebody and find the ball again in time. Stay on the ball, all right?
Caleb, you ready? Allie, be ready to move those feet.
Move up. Front row, be ready to move, quick. There. Reagan, focus. Nice, better, better, better.
Ready, keep your eye on that ball at all times.
What do you, oh. Nice, there you go. Great job, ladies. Great job. That's what I'm looking for. There. Good job. Good job out there. Good job. I know. I don't know why we play you guys so tough like this. Jeez, oh. Ruby, you're swatting. You're swatting, right?
Excuse me when you call her that.
Oh, her last name. I've always called her Ruby, yeah. Because I had like 3 Abbies on my team. So I was using... Ooh. Nice. Finally, the old Vanessa's back, at least for now.
Did we win the first one?
Yeah,
But barely.
correct.
Hey, bring it in.
See? There's the old Nessa, right? Don't play scared. You got this. You just rattled off what? What?
just keep it up.
6 points in a row? Yeah, 5, 6 in a row? You're good. Just reset after every one, take a breath, and do what you do. It's muscle memory now.
I was just a little scared.
You gotta get out of your head and you're just fine.
Like me. That's why I got the camera.
Alright,
All right.
I really got nothing right now.
Yep. Just finish this out, all right? Hurricanes on 3.
Hurricanes on 3! Hurricanes on 3! 1, 2, 3, Hurricanes! 25 serves in a row.
Who?
Nigma.
Oh. I've seen her get a lot, yeah. I'm pretty sure she probably has.
Reagan, get back to your spot. Oh!
Hey, if that first ball is coming to you, take it, all right? So yeah, that was almost disaster. If that first ball comes your way, right, take it. Let somebody else play the second ball, all right? Because I'd rather, she came from back here, luckily, and was able to get it, but barely, all right? Let's play the easy ball. Hey, good server. Back row, be ready. Why are you getting out of the way? You're getting out of the way. What? A lot of you are doing this. Why are we putting our butts out and getting out of the way of a ball? Right? We should be going after every ball. Out. Hey, what happened with that last serve? What happened with that last serve? What did we not do?
I did not take my time.
Remember, always elbow, elbow, elbow. All right? It's all right. You don't want me to start doing that. I've been getting on the parents too. All right, one play. We need one play, right? Finish this. It's an underhand serve. Get it. Get it. Don't worry about me. I'm always going to get out the way. You just go after the ball. Because I'm doing what you're supposed to do. I'm watching the ball at all times. Call timeout. You guys still need one play, okay? She's got to push back. Front row. Here, okay? Back row. Here, all right? Whoever my 6 is, play in the middle. It's not going to go deep on you like that, but be ready just in case it does. You're going to have to move, all right? We need one play. That's it, one play. This is over. We don't make that play that's going to drag on longer. They are going to get momentum. They've already started clawing back like we normally do. Settle it down. Finish it on 3.
Finish it on 3. Finish it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Finish it.
Right here, yep. Right here. Right here. Up, 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 up. There it is.
Lord have mercy.
Right?
That's it, right?
That's it. Line up.